Welcome to Carbon's DIY Garage for a quick, easy preventative maintenance item that I'm going to do on my 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan, and that is to replace the cabin air filter. You should do it every 30,000 miles or so. It's inside the glove box area, and it's really easy to do. Once you have the glove box open, you just squeeze in on both sides. You have to push a little bit hard, and you lower the glove box down. It doesn't go down all the way. It just opens up a little bit more. Behind the glove box is that mysterious looking black square piece, and it is the door that holds your cabin air filter, and you just push in on both sides and you can easily take it off. Once that door is off, you just reach in, pull that filter out, and hey, look at that, there's some crap on there. You don't want that, so let's get that filter out of here. The filter has done its job. Clearly it's dirty, it's got junk in the middle, so these filters are pretty cheap. No reason not to replace them every 30,000 miles like the manufacturer suggests. Here's the new filter. You can see there's an airflow arrow and it's pointing down in this case, and since we had that junk on top of the filter, we know for sure that the airflow in this box goes from top to bottom, so we want that arrow pointing down, and we just insert it like we pulled the old one out. Once you push it in all the way, just take your door, put it back in place. And that's it. Then just squeeze the two sides of that glove compartment door, that glove box door, to put it back up. And that's it. So hopefully this video is helpful for anybody looking to figure out how to do this for themselves so they don't get overcharged for the filter and overcharged for having to do that really quick activity to take the old one out, put the new one in. If you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff, and you guys have a good one. We'll see you in the next video.